Explanation of the sum function in Excel, month-wise using your sales table, January-April 2021. This version explains how to get the total sales of all categories for each month using formula, without formula, using shortcut key. Topic, monthly sales totals using sum in Excel. January 2021 total sales. With formula, Excel copy edit equals sum. After B2 after B8. Explanation, this adds all values under January 21st, column B. Result, 0 plus 2,130,000 plus 1,475,000 plus 165,000 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1,213,950 equals 4,983,950. Without formula, manual calculation, copy edit equals 0 plus 2,130,000 plus 1,475,000 plus 165,000 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1,213,950 equals 4,983,950. Excel will generate sum B2, B8. Enter. February 2021 total sales. Formula, Excel copy edit equals sum after C2 after C8. Result, 575,000 plus 650,000 plus 275,000 plus 440,000 plus 344,500 plus 0 plus 1,644,950 equals 3,921,450. Formula, Excel copy edit equals sum after D2, D8. Result, 475,000 plus 850,000 plus 1,110,000 plus 445,000 plus 324,000 minus 1 plus 148,500 plus 2,450,750 equals 5,805,740. Final summary, presentation table, Monday total sales. January 21st, 5,000 enter 5,740, 707 23,530.